Basketball.
Okay, so what sports do girls play?
Basketball.
Okay.
I like to play basketball.
Okay. What other sport?
Soccer. That's all.
That's all the sports girls play?
Uh-huh.
What about boys? What do boys play?
Soccer. No.
What else?
That's all.
That's all the sports?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh. That was.
So boys only play soccer, and girls play kick the ball and soccer?
No basketball.
What is
What's
fish?
that?
We just do this, get in the goal. I did the trick. Wasn't that a funny trick?
Yeah.
Like this. And then get up, and then do this.
Oh, that's a sport?
Yeah.
What about football? Do boys or girls play football?
Boys.
What about volleyball?
Yeah.
Boys or girls?
Girls. Basketball. Soccer.
What about baseball?
Baseball.
Do boys or girls play baseball?
Boys.
Why?
That's all.
Oh, that's all? Okay.
Set up my tent.